In this video, I will walk you through a detailed, done-on-command review to see how this platform stacks up against the current fragmented landscape of digital marketing tools. Most businesses today are struggling with what experts call fragmentation, where you are constantly jumping between a dozen browser tabs just to launch a single campaign. One tool writes the copy, another generates images, and a third handles the data. When comparing done-on-command to this traditional workflow, the contrast is night and day. This platform is positioned as the ultimate AI business operator, moving artificial intelligence from a mere novelty to a core, integrated engine for your daily operations. The standout feature here is persistent memory, which allows the AI to function as a unified team member rather than a series of disconnected prompts. While other tools leave you managing a mess of logins, Done-on-Command aims to consolidate that effort into one streamlined command center. It is specifically built for operators and builders who want to stop learning about AI and start profiting from it. If you are tired of the tool-hopping burnout, this consolidated approach definitely wins for efficiency. What do you think about the shift toward all-in-one AI operators? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest automation tech. Thank you for watching.